Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to place an order and how to put SL and TP. So this is my real account. So I will make a trade from here. You can see here here is an order block. So I will make a trade and I will show you how to place order and with that TP and SL. So, let's see. Wait price to reach here. This is a support line, so I will wait market to reach here and I will take a trade. So let's wait. Let's take a trade. I will place buy position here. So I have placed buy position. Let me add some more position and let's see in MT5 see how the buy limit is placed. So I have placed the buy limit. When market reach at that level, that price, it will automatically position will be buy. So now I want to put my SL. So let's see, I want to put my SL here before the zone. Let's see, I want to put my SL here, so I will place, or you can directly if you want to put SL, then click here and click on the pencil icon. After that, this is your SL. Where do you want to put your SL and where do you want to put your TP? So for let's see. So suppose I want to put my SL at 2479.793. so 2479.793. So here is when I will click modify, then I will apply the stop loss. So you can see here, this is my stop loss which I have placed. Similarly, I will put my SL in this trade. So 2479.793, 2479.793. So I have placed SL in both the trade. Now I will put the TP. So my TP will be around here. So my first TP will be here. You can directly put your TP from here, or you can go in the trade section. See here TP. I have automatically applied because from here, from the chart, if you want to click here TP, this is your TP, where do you want to place? So apply your TP where you want to place your TP. So then after that modified, you can see here I have applied my TP. This is for MT5 platform. If you have MT4, then there is another method to apply the SLN TP. You can see my buy limit, it didn't trigger yet because market hasn't reached here. Let's see in MT4 how to apply SLN TP. Let's see, I take a demo trade. This is my demo account. I will show you how to place SLN TP. So for example, I have taken Euro USD, and suppose I have open buy position. Similarly, I open a buy position again. So now in MT4 how you will apply stop loss and target profit. Here you cannot directly put your SLN TP as you do in MT5. You will have to select where do you want to place your TP. Suppose I want to apply TP here, 1.10396. 1.10, let me see here. 1.10401. 1.10401. This is my TP, so I have put my TP here. You can see here is my TP. This is my TP. Now suppose I want to put my SL here. Suppose below this line I want to put my SL. 1 point. This is my SL. I have put my SL. You can see. This is your SL and this is your TP. Similarly, I want to put my SL and TP here. You can directly copy from here, or you want to manually. If you want to manually apply SL and TP, then you can do it. So let me apply. So I will place SL 1 point. So I have applied my SL. Similarly, suppose I want to apply TP at 1.10415. 1.10435. Okay, so this is my TP2 and this is my TP1. Let's see if you want to apply the limit order. For example, if you don't have time to watch the market then you can directly apply the sell limit or buy limit. For example, I will apply the buy limit here. So you will have to click buy limit. So buy limit, where do you want that price triggered at that price? So suppose I want my price triggered at 1.10324. So I will $1.10324. So I have placed my buy limit here. When market, if market come here, then my price will automatically triggered. This is my buy limit. If you want the SL and TP of buy limit, then you can do it. So for example, I want to my stop loss at here 1.10297. I want to apply my SL here, so you can do. So I have placed my SL of buy limit. Similarly, if you want the TP of buy limit here, suppose here the 1.10390, this is my TP. So I have placed my TP.